what advice can you give to someone who's considering getting into the business? And I guess I just asked this as far as women, and it's probably the same advice, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly the same. Learn as much as you possibly can about it. I had never used a laundromat when I bought my first laundromat. Never. Aside from when I lived in a little, when I'm 19 years old, lived in a little trailer park, and we didn't have a washer and dryer. And I had to go across the street to the little clubhouse and use their icky top loaders and their electric dryers. And I swore if I ever had my own washer, it would be clean, because those were like, they were gross around the top. So that's part of what drives me to have clean machines, I think. But I'd never used a laundromat before I bought one. It was crazy. So learn everything you possibly can. It'll also help you get that loan too when you write your business plan for the loan, because you know what you're talking about.
Great point.
Yeah.
Last one. The future of the laundry business. How do you see it evolving? Where do you see it going? And what part do you hope to play in it?
Well, I see the stigma of laundromats starting to melt away a little bit. So I'd like to see more owners, that put their money back into their laundromat. The new equipment. If you've got your 6 dryers and one of them's working, get some new dryers. Or, those just need to be put down. They were so old. But replace your equipment. It doesn't have to be every 5 years or something like that, but keep it nice. That will help the industry continue to lose that stigma. I actually had a couple things here. As operators continue to improve their stores. If you do have a well-run store, a clean, safe, friendly store that's well-run, that will help stave off, that gives you some security. It'll help you stave off any competition. If you're, if you are, I think the zombie mats, Brian Grell's zombie mats, as new store owners come in, there's a lot of interest in building laundromats. And if you've got a rundown store, but a lot of business, you are ripe for competition to move in right next to you. So keep it looking clean, safe, friendly, fresh, and you'll stave off any competition from coming in. How I see the future of the industry, I see the stigma of laundromats beginning to fade away, beginning to melt away a little bit, as there's a lot of newer, bigger stores getting built across the United States. But as we continue to improve existing stores, put some newer equipment in, upgrade the payment systems, make more options other than quarters. Not everybody wants to, and post-pandemic, not everybody wants to touch a nasty quarter. Right? Your contactless payments, things like that. As the industry continues to evolve to different payments, automation, there's just so many new technologies that are coming out in laundry equipment. Where do I see myself fitting in? I don't know. I still go to I try to go to all the industry meetups, as many as possible if it fits in our schedule. I'll still be going there, still be talking to people and talking at people and answering questions. Anybody's got any questions for me? I ask tons of questions of people. I'll talk, as you well know, Bob, for hours about laundry and the laundry business. It's hard to shut up sometimes. So I just love it. Love it. But I just see it only getting better. It's like I said at the beginning, it's something that's a necessity. That's why this business was deemed necessary during the pandemic. Like I was saying then, if you want to see a pandemic spread, you shut down the ability for people to get clean clothes. Then you'll have a pandemic. So
absolutely,
it's a necessity. It happens. Laundry happens.